Got another DaBaby lesson for you from his new album, Blame It On Baby. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rockstar. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So for this song, I'm going to place the capo on the 11th fret, and the intro is made up of 4 chords. The first of which is an A minor 7 chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string. And you're going to finger pick the A, D, and B string at the same time. Next is a C major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and you're going to finger pick the A, G, and high E string at the same time. Next is a G major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to finger pick the low E, D, and B string at the same time. And then last is a F major chord. So for this, you're just going to place your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to finger pick the low E, A, and G string at the same time. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the rest of the song uses the same 4 chords, but it uses a different finger picking pattern. So starting on the A minor 7 chord, you're going to finger pick the A string, D string, B string twice. Then you're going to move to the C major chord, and you're going to finger pick the A string, G string, high E string 3 times. Then on the G major chord, you're going to finger pick the low E string, D string, B string twice. Then the F major chord, you're going to finger pick the low E string, A string, G string 3 times. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Rockstar. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.